Hello everyone, I just got this Colzer dehumidifier from Amazon yesterday. So I'm planning to use that in my basement. The total area is around 1,000 square feet. So I hope it can control the humidity level to lower 50 something. As you can see, that it's pretty sleek, a little bit Apple style. In general, I like it style. So you can see that I have to cover the back end. Remove this. Alright, so this is supposed to be the water tanker. Alright, I have connected the power. The control panel is on the top. I'm going to close the water tanker. Okay, it's pretty light. Everybody can easily move that. So I think there's a wheel underneath, so easy to move. Let's open it. Okay. Now the machine is on. So initially show the humidity level as 61, pretty high. I can hear the warning noise. It's not so high. I think I should say it's acceptable. Oh, okay. Now I got a more accurate value, like 67, pretty high. Okay, it's running well. Let's see. This is the front end. This the number show on the panel. So okay, so far it looks good. I like its design and it's simple to installation. And so far everything's good. Hope I like it in general. Thank you very much.